Hey guys, welcome to a Tech Pro of Mind. My name is 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐥 and in today's video I have come up with a 3 hiring update. First one is coming from Revature, second is coming from Adobe and third one is coming from CloudeSEK. So all three companies are hiring for fresh and college student. I will explain you each and everything, like what is the selection procedure, how to apply, what is the eligibility criteria. So make sure you watch the video till the end and check out the other hiring also, because multiple companies hiring is still ongoing, like Capgemini hai, Infosys hai, Cognizant hai, EY hai, HSBC hai. Do check out. Now talking about the first hiring update that is coming from Revature company. So Revature company started hiring for software developer position. It's an entry level position. Means if you are a fresher or recent graduate, then you are eligible for this hiring. Talking about eligibility criteria first. So they have mentioned if you have done BE BTech, MCA, MSc from CSIT branch, AI or electronic and telecommunication, electronic and communication, electrical and electronics, then you are eligible for this hiring. Talking about the passing batch. So if you already passed out in 23 batch or you are going to pass out in 24 batch, then you are eligible for this hiring. And company have marks criteria also. You must have at least 70% marks in your 10th, 12th and in your graduation and post graduation with no active backlog. Then only you are eligible for this hiring. And company allow 1 year gap also. So if you have a gap after your 12th or 10th, then you are eligible for this hiring. So this is an eligibility criteria. If you fulfill, then do apply for this hiring. Now talking about the salary package and job location. So company is hiring for multiple locations like Chennai hai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune. So company is hiring for 4 different locations. And if you get selected, then starting of 8 to 12 week, there is a training for you. And at the time of training, you will get 7,500 stipend per month. Now talking about the selection procedure. So they have mentioned after the registration, there will be an online test. And after online test, there will be technical round, an HR round. And after that, there is a pre-placement discussion. And that's it. You will get a job in the Revature company. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, you have to fill this form. First you have to enter your first name, last name, then email address, phone number, country. Then apart from this, there is some basic question you can fill out easily. And if you feel any difficulty while filling a form, you can ask your query in comment section. I will definitely help you. So this is the first hiring update. Now talking about second hiring update, that is coming from Adobe company. So Adobe company is hiring for software development engineer and company is hiring for Bangalore location. They have already mentioned about the location. Talking about the eligibility criteria first. So they have mentioned if you have done BE BTech, ME MTech from CSIT branch or related field, then you are eligible for this hiring. And if you are a fresher or you have 1.5 year experience in software development, then also you are eligible for this hiring. But you should be proficient in Java programming language. They have already mentioned Java is a compulsory for you and the passing batch should be 23. Then only you are eligible for this hiring. They have already mentioned about the passing batch also. So if you are eligible for this hiring, just click on apply now button and fill this form. And if you get shortlisted, then there will be coding round for you. Then after that, there will be 2 technical round, 1 HR round. And at the last, you will get a job in Adobe company for SD position. And I think you already know about the Adobe company. It's a very good company. So if you are eligible, do apply. Now talking about the third hiring update, that is coming from CloudeSEK company. So company is hiring for intern SD front-end position. Currently company is hiring for intern role and job location will be Bengaluru. And it's a work from office internship. They have already mentioned you have to work at least 2 days in a week from Bengaluru office. And the duration for this internship is 6 months. So if you are available for 6 months, you can apply for this hiring. And company have mentioned some technical skills also. So you must have at least knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap. This is a very common technology. You must have knowledge about this technology if you want a job in CloudeSEK company. Talking about the eligibility criteria first. So if you have done bachelor degree or master degree from any branch, then you are eligible for this hiring. But you must have knowledge about the front end like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, React.js. Then only this job is fit for you. Talking about the passing batch. So if you are going to pass out in 24 batch, 25 batch or 26 batch, then you are eligible for this hiring. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, you have to fill this form. First you have to enter your first name, last name, email, phone number, then upload your CV, then end year. Then after that, there will be 2 questions. First, are you available to join from Bangalore office? Then you have to fill yes. Second is, you can join immediately. You have to fill yes. And after answering these 2 questions, just click on submit button and your application will submit it. And you have to wait for a while. If you get shortlisted, then you will receive a test link. And if you clear the test, then there will be technical round, HR round. And at the last, you will get an internship in CloudeSEK company. So this is the complete process. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. If you still have any concern, then please let me know in comment section. I will definitely help you. So thank you and goodbye.